Imagine generating $100K from a single listing, a digital product idea with a proven track record of success on Etsy. One store, only 40 listings, has made over 12K sales with this type of designs. What's the secret? A print-on-demand design you can create in seconds with AI. In today's video, I'll show you exactly how to find these high-potential products, create AI-driven designs, and make them print-ready using platforms like Printify. Plus, I'll share over 100 prompts to kickstart your journey. So, let's dive in. The first step to identifying a potential design that will sell quickly on Etsy is by searching for relevant keywords in the search bar and revealing the result for products with the bestseller tag. However, this method doesn't provide any insight into the monthly and total revenue of a product. So what's the best way to find products that have generated over $100K in total revenue? The answer lies in using an external analyzer tool, and I found Alura to be the most effective. And by using the link in the description, you can create an account with Alura and follow along. Once your account is set up, navigate to the research tab and select product to get started. The first step is to enter the keyword for the product you're interested in. For this video, I'll use wall art and AI digital wall art as a keyword. After that, I'll move to the all-time sales section and set the range to a minimum of 1K and a maximum of 50K sales. Now onto the exciting part, revenue. I'll set the minimum revenue to $50K and the maximum revenue to $300K. Next, I'll choose a category, selecting art and collections, and filter the result to show products with 4 to 5 star rating. Finally, the search scope. The free version allows you to select up to 1 million products. However, since I'm on a paid plan, I'll go over to 10 million product search option for a wider result. After clicking search, each product shows a decent amount of revenue, and one of the standout features with this paid plan is the ability to easily filter results by the best performing products. Clicking this arrow, I can instantly see the top performing items. For example, this wall art design featuring an oil painting of the beach scene has generated $16K in the past 12 months and over $100K since it was published. Checking this product on Etsy, you notice it has massive reviews, consistent repeated sales, and continue to attract significant attention. And by clicking the Alura icon on the product thumbnail, I can quickly view its overall performance. This feature confirms that the product has made 80 sales in just a month, highlighting it has high demand. Now imagine starting an Etsy shop or filling your store with designs like this. You'll be tapping into a proven market with a strong earning potential. Looking at the product again, you notice it offers as a digital product and is sold for as much as $30. This proves to achieve similar success, we need to include multiple designs in a single listing. However, instead of offering only digital products, we also sell this as physical products, so that when we offer to sell this multiple design in one listing for $30, you can also extract individual designs from this set and offer them as physical products. The best part, we can price each physical product just as high as a digital product, maximizing our profit potential while selling it to both digital and physical product buyers. This way, we don't miss out on any potential customers. Now you might be thinking, do I need to save up to build an inventory of wall art? Absolutely not. This is where Printify comes in. By exploring the catalog section on Printify, you find a wide range of product categories featuring popular white label products that you can easily print your design on. Each product comes with fast and reliable supplier that offers worldwide delivery. Thanks to Printify's seamless integration with Etsy, you can simply select a product, upload your design, and fill in the product description directly from Printify. It automatically gets listed on your Etsy shop. This means that whenever you make a sale, Printify handles everything, printing, packaging, and shipping without you ever touching the product. You can use the link in the description to sign up for Printify and follow along later. But for now, let's create a prompt for the designs. To create a prompt with high quality designs, I usually stick to a simple 3-part format. However, with many AI platforms today with its own design style, this allows us to focus solely on the subject of the prompt. For example, in this video, we'll be using AI, which offer a variety of popular styles, including the oil painting style our competitor is using. This makes it much easier to create something similar. To get started with this AI, I'll set up a portrait frame size and increase the DPI resolution to 300, which is Etsy recommended size for high quality print. Once inside, I'll select the AI icon and choose image generation. But before I paste the prompt here, I want to mention I have created a list of 100 prompts specifically for generating these type of images, and I'll be using some of them as example in this video, and you can find the link to it in the description. For now, I've copied one of the prompts from the list and pasted it here. I selected portrait frame and choose oil painting style. After a few seconds, this is the result I got. I also tested other prompts and Kido generated these amazing results. Before we continue, I want to give a special shout out to my Patreon supporters for making the creation of this prompt possible. Now that we've exported the images from Kiddo, the next important step is to upscale them to avoid pixelation before sending them to Printify. And there are several AI platforms that can do this, but my personal favorite is Let Enhance, which offer the option to upscale images from 1K to 16K resolution. After creating an account, I'll be directed to the platform. From there, I'll upload my designs, choose the desired resolution and click here. The platform will then show you a before and after comparison of the upscale image. Once you're satisfied with the result, simply download the image. For the final step, we'll send the upscale design to Printify to make it print ready. Once you click on the link in the description, it will take you directly to Printify to register your account. After registering, link your Printify account to your Etsy store. Once that's done, go to the catalog section and search for poster under home and living category. From here, look for the product with the bestseller tag and click on the product, then select here to see more details about the supplier. Next, click on Start Designing and upload your wall art design and scale it to fit the frame better. On the right side of the screen, you'll see the available sizes. Now to match the sizes your competitors offers, click on Select Variant and choose the sizes you want your design to be available in. Once you're satisfied with the adjustment, click Save. Now Printify will provide you with the default mockups, but you can add more by returning to your design in Kiddo and select mockups. Then search for poster and you find a range of amazing poster mockups to choose from. For the title, you can draw inspiration from your competitor's title to create your own. When it comes to the description, the best practice is to copy your competitor's description and ask ChatGPT to rephrase it for you. Finally, the tags. It's a good idea to use the same tags as the competitors. To do this, go back to Alura Shop Analyzer, paste the store name selling that product and search through that listing for that product and you find the tags they use. Now as you scroll down, you notice that each size comes with its own price, which you can edit it by selecting the price and entering the desired value. However, be sure to check how your competitors are pricing their products so that you can remain competitive. Once you're done, click Publish and your product will be listed on your Etsy shop. Now, to sell this as digital product, I have a link in the description to a video that will explain this in full details. Finally, I hope this video was able to guide you on how to find a potential product to sell on Etsy. Thanks for watching. Like and subscribe, and I'll see you on the next one.